In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple currencies in Shopify 2.0. This is an incredibly useful feature if you're running an international store, allowing your customers to shop in their local currency for a more seamless experience. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a better understanding of how to make your Shopify store more versatile and appealing to a global audience. To start off, you'll need to ensure that your store is using Shopify payments, as this is essential for enabling multiple currencies. Shopify Payments is Shopify's built-in payment processor, and it supports a variety of currencies. If you haven't activated it yet, you'll find it in your Shopify admin under Settings, and then Payments. Once there, follow the prompts to set it up if you haven't already. Next, let's move on to setting up your store to support multiple currencies. In your Shopify admin, head over to Settings and select Payments again. Scroll down to find the section labeled Shopify Payments. Click on Manage to open up a list of available options. Here, you should see a list of supported currencies. You can select which currencies you'd like to add to your store by simply ticking the corresponding boxes. It's important to note that the more currencies you enable, the broader your market reach will be. After selecting your desired currencies, let's consider how these will be displayed in your store. Navigate to the Settings again, but this time click on General. Scroll to the section titled Store Currency, and ensure you've defined your primary selling currency. This is typically the currency you want to set your prices and accounting against. Shopify will automatically convert your product prices into the customer's selected currency based on the current exchange rate. Now that you have multiple currencies enabled, you'll want to ensure that customers can easily switch between them on your storefront. For this, you'll need a currency selector. Many Shopify themes come with a built-in currency selector. If your theme has this feature, you'll find it within the customization settings. Go to Online Store, click Themes, and then select Customize. Look through the theme settings to enable the currency selector. If your theme doesn't have this option, you might consider using a third-party app that provides this functionality. With everything now set up, it's crucial to test your storefront to make sure the currency switcher works smoothly and that your prices are being displayed and calculated correctly. You can test this by going to your live store, switching the currency using the selector, and checking to see if the prices reflect the current exchange rate. And there you have it, your Shopify 2.0 store is now ready to handle multiple currencies. This enhancement not only improves your customers' shopping experience by offering them the convenience of viewing prices in their home currency but also helps in maximizing your store's reach internationally. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't hesitate to like and subscribe for more Shopify tips and tricks.